You don't have to fear the terror of night. The Lord is our confidence. You should not be afraid of arrows by day. The Lord is our confidence. He delivers from deadly sickness, and He covers you with His wings. He'll be with you in troubled times, as He is our shield. Whoever dwells in the shelter of the God Most High will say, He's my refuge. Here I'm safe. I trust in Him. I trust in Him. Whoa, do not dread the plague or evil attacks. The Lord is our confidence. Even then, when 1,000 fall at your side, the Lord is our confidence. He delivers from deadly sickness, and He covers you with His wings. He'll be with you in troubled times, as He is our shield. Whoever dwells in the shelter of the God Most High will say, He's my refuge. Here I'm safe. I trust in Him. I trust in Him. He delivers from deadly sickness, and He covers you with His wings. He'll be with you in troubled times, as He is our shield. See, the Lord is a confidence. Whoever dwells in the shelter of the God Most High will say, He's my refuge. Here I'm safe. I trust in Him. I trust in Him. So I'm gonna trust in Him. My confidence.
I woke up with this song idea on the 5th of March, just at the beginning of the corona crisis here in Switzerland. I finished the song very quickly, and for me it was a moment of, yeah, I'm under God's protection, nothing is gonna happen. But actually a lot has happened within the last 6 weeks. I got sick, my wife got sick really badly, and I just quickly want to share how we dealt with this tension of believing the word of God and His protection, but also being sick, which was a fact. So I love what it says in Psalm 118. The Lord is my strength. He is my song, and He has become my salvation. You know, in the midst of troubled times, the psalmist finds rest in the presence of God. I found rest in the presence of God because His presence is a well which strengthened me. And then it continues, He is my song. You know what I love about songs is that we can carry them wherever we go. We whistle songs under the shower, when we leave home, even when we come back. Sometimes when I'm in bed, I've got a tune in my head. But it's so important during this season that we carry a song, a soundtrack of faith and confidence. You know, the soundtrack of media is a soundtrack of fear and uncertainty. And it's my prayer that this psalm, and especially this song, becomes a soundtrack of confidence wherever you go, because praise is a soundtrack of breakthrough, and that's what we need. And then I believe we will also see what the psalmist says, and He has become my salvation. Because if our heart, our faith is stirred, then I believe we will move God's heart as well. And He is a merciful God. He is a sovereign God. And we can see that He wants the best for us. That's what I've experienced during this season, even when it was troubled times. And I believe so will you. God bless you.